Hello friends, today I am going to tell you that how the batch are created and how we are going to uh, assign subjects to the concerned subject teachers. Okay, so there is some of the requirements are there that you must be ready with this one requirements. These are the list of the requirements. Very few requirements are there. That is a list of the summary with the pattern, then list of the teachers with the subject, class, pattern or timetable, that is sufficient. Then blank paper and the pen for necessary action, means if you want to write or you want to tick marks on the summary likewise. Okay, so first of all you have to go onto your BCUD portal, you have to log in that one. After login you appear this page. Then in this case you have to click on principal or HOD. Okay, after clicking on this one you will appear this one page. There is a create batch option is there. Just you have to click on this one, create batch option. Then just like page is appear. In case of the select pattern, there are the various patterns are there. That is for B pharmacy are there, some are M pharmacy are there. Then for each pattern, list of the subjects are there. One by one, you have to, as per the summary, you have to go through this one patterns and their subjects. In subjects, there are the theory, practicals are there. For theory, there are the only internals. Some of the subjects, theory subjects are there, that where the exams are there, that should be conducted for both university, non-university examination also, and sessionals also. So for that one, you had to click on the that subjects, then internal, that is for your internal sessional, and same subjects for practical, that is your external examination of the theory. Okay, and same is there, that is for the practicals, that is a practical, internal, practical means external practical exam. So then you have to select a pattern. Okay, for example I have selected here 2015 pattern. Then subject, that is a industrial pharmacy one. The for 2015 these are the subjects are there, just for example. Okay, these are the subjects are there. So in 2000 pattern, from this one I have select industrial pharmacy. Okay, yeah, you appear the select name, select pattern 2015, then subject industrial pharmacy, then select the paper type, that is the internal. Okay, then I click on internal. Here you appear one number of the student. Once you have to select the internal examination, how many students are there, that is to be appear. Then all and batch wise is, or two options are there. You have to select on the all. Then so for that you have to click on all. Then you have to click on create batch. Once you have to click on create batch, a batch is created. Okay. Batch is created. Now the next one is there. If no one student is there is present, is for that subject, that shows you 0. There is no need to create batch, and the option is there is not available for you for creating a batch. Okay, now the second one is there. For example, the second one subject is there, that is a remedial biology practical. Okay, in case of this one, this is for our practicals. Okay. Mm, Here they have mentioned, for example, I have take another example, 2019 pattern. The subject is there, that is a remedial biology practical. Then we are going to select the paper type, internal or practical. First of all, we see internal. Then I click on internal. On internal, there are the three students are observing. Okay. Then I click on all. Okay. Then I click on create batch. Once I click on create batch, batch is created and such type of the icon is there, is visible to you. After that, I click on the second one for the same subject, same pattern. I click on the practical examination. Okay. Then I again click on the create. If I click on the practical examination, the same. The number of the students are there, that should be appear 3. Then number that is the all. Click on all, then click on create batch, and the batch is there, is created. Just like for this one, the batch is, you have to check each and every one patterns, the number of the subject, their internal, external, likewise. Okay. Now in this way, you have to first create batches. Then second one is there, that is a appointment of that one examiner. That for that, what are the batches you have to be created? You have to appoint the examiner for that one subjects. Okay. Now click on the appoint internal examiner. Then you have to select the pattern, for which pattern you are going to appoint examiners. Okay. Then you have to click on pattern. Then you have to click on the subject teachers. If the name of the subject teachers are there, okay, these are the name of the subject teachers. You have to select any one subject teacher. For example, then you have to click on the show batches to appoint. First of all, you have to click on the name of the subject teacher, then you have to click on the show batches to appoint. Okay. Suppose I have taken the example batch 2015, and I'm going to assign that one subject which is to be taken. Example is Ajinkya Kure is going to conduct this one. So I am appointed this one. Then I click on the show batches to appoint. So I click on that one. Then this page will appear. Then I'm going to put the date, from which date the mark entry will start, and up to date mark entry will close. Then select. Okay. Then you have to appoint, just like this one. All these three figures are there, that is very important. Then you have to click on appoint. For example, I have clicked on the start date, that is university has started from this April. Date is till 10th of April, and I click on the select, then I have click on the appoint. Okay. In this way, the subject is there, is to be appointed. If you want to visualize that subject is there, is to be appointed or not, you have to click on the show appointed batches. Means to Ajinkya Kure, how many subjects are there that should be appointed, or which subject is appointed to whom? That is you have to be observed in this one, show appointed batches. Okay. In this way, for each pattern, what are the subjects are there in which their internal and externals are there, that you have to verify whether each and every one batch is created or not, and to each subject whether the subject teacher is assigned or not. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay. Thank you.